Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial with your instructional technology specialist, Leslie Johnson. So today we're going to take a closer look at some of those activities in Google Meet. We've already talked about breakout rooms, so let's explore polls. So when you click on polls, you can create a poll and type in a question. Then you have the option to save or launch, and as you can see, I have saved this for time's sake. So I'm going to go ahead and let everyone see the results and click launch. Now from the student end, let's just pop over here. There's a new poll that's been launched. So the student has to click on activities and then polls. And it's running a bit slow. My apologies for that. And then I have to choose what is the best season. Summer. Vote. So this is the only student who has voted, and they can see their vote live. So you as the teacher can see what students are saying, how they're voting, and you can count up. I've got 4 votes. I know that I have 7 people in this meeting, myself included, so I would know approximately how long to wait. But that's basically polling. And you can click end poll as soon as you are ready to finish that. So I can use the little arrow to go back. You can use the Q&A function. That's when a student can ask a question. You just click turn it on, and then you can allow questions. You can show if you want the newest question first. It always defaults back to that oldest question. And then you can see all questions. You can mark questions answered. You can hide questions. So through the magic of video, we will explore this feature. All right, so let's explore this on the student end. So they go to that Q&A and then they can type in a question like, what do you mean? And then they can post that. They can also see what other students have asked, and they can give a thumbs up to that if they think, hey, that's a really good question. Same thing over here. Students have to go from the poll to Q&A, and then they are able to interact in the same way. They can click that ask a question, and they can do thumbs up. So that's basically the Q&A. If we go back to the teacher, then I can decide, okay, I'm going to hide this particular question, or I can trash it. What day is it today? So I would say today is Thursday, and I'm going to mark as answered. So that's going to help me with this particular Q&A function over here. So those are the two of the 3 functions that are listed in our activities. We've seen breakout rooms, we've seen polls, we've seen Q&A. So if you have any other questions or video suggestions, please let me know. And thanks for watching.